I'm Katie Blunt from the Utah Education Network. Let's face it, teachers, time will always be a precious commodity in this profession. So how can you save time while planning high-quality, engaging instruction for your students? Let UEN's eMedia do some of the work for you. Here are 4 tips for using eMedia to cut down your workload. Number 1, explore eMedia's monthly highlights collection. Visit the eMedia Curated Collections page to find a monthly highlights collection with resources that coincide with holidays and initiatives like Constitution Day and Hispanic Heritage Month. Number 2, browse the eMedia hubs. Visit the See All Hubs page to link to recommended resource collections organized by content area, initiative, or technology platform. Many include resources that have already been reviewed and aligned to standards by fellow Utah educators, saving you all that time and effort. Number 3, search within a collection. There is a search tool on every page in eMedia that allows you to search for resources by keyword. But did you know that there is also the ability to search within a collection? Visit any eMedia collection and enter keywords into the Search Resources box on the collection page to get to the resources you really want even more quickly. And number 4, use search filters. Fine-tune your keyword searches using the Filter Resources menu on the left-hand side of the page. You can filter by education level, material type, media format, and more. Remember, the lesson plans, multimedia, and activities you find in eMedia are always free for Utah teachers. I hope you find some time-saving gems.